Hi there, welcome to the Couture YouTube channel. This is Kathy from Red Robin Floral Furniture Refinishing. I'm wondering who has time for one more Christmas craft. I recently got this silicone mold from a store near me. They're of nutcrackers, and I'm going to cast two nutcrackers in Couture's rapid casting resin in black. This resin is two steps. You cast equal parts of step one and step two, and then you mix them together in a silicone container and then pour them into your mold. Once the molds are cast, it takes about 10 minutes for them to harden, and then you can remove them from the mold. There's the first one. It's super cute. These molds are probably to be used for baked goods. They're kind of deep, and that's why I was struggling to get it out, but at the end, it looks really good. I got an inexpensive frame from the dollar store, and that's what I'm going to use for my project. I'm going to paint it with Cardinal Red. It is one of the Lux Metallic paints. It's a beautiful color. I did 2 coats of this. After the 2 coats were dry, I'd sanded it down just along the edges. This gave it a little bit of a distressed look. I then took the same Cardinal Red and a brush. I was using a fan brush and just rubbing it across kind of the high points of the mold, but a little bit of the low points as well. I just wanted to cover it slightly with the red. And once that was dry, now I'm going in with the French gold, doing the same thing. You can still see the red peeking through underneath. It just gives some dimension. I then went around the edges of the frame with the French gold, right where it was distressed, just to give it a little bit of bling, I guess, and to tie the nutcracker in with that gold. Now you'll see I'm just cutting out a piece of black cardstock. I'm going to put that into the frame with a transfer. Here's the cute little transfer. This is from Redesign with Prima, and it's just a little Christmas village. Now I'm just going to glue the nutcracker onto the frame. And then I just put it all together. It looks so cute. It's just an easy little project that you can do. The rapid casting resin in black is just so much fun to use. It looks so great with the metallics. But I have one more little project to show you. This is something that I love to do for every kind of celebration event. I love using these molds as a bit of a serviette holder, I guess you would say. So all I'm doing here is putting a piece of string, some rope, gluing that to the back of the mold. And I'm going to kind of do the same thing that I did on the other one. I'm just using different colors. Well, I'm using the gold, the French gold first. And then I'm going to use the aged bronze. This is the metallic stencil paste. And they're napkin rings. I just remembered. That's what they're called. And I realize it's kind of hard to see on the video um, the two different tones, but they look actually really good together. You can see the bronze kind of shining through and the gold. I don't know, it's just a really nice combination together. So I have black napkins, and so all I'm going to do is tie it around the napkin and then put it with my place setting, my Christmas place setting. How fun is that? I think that is so cute. And you could do anything like that for any celebration, any tablescape that you're doing. The metallics are just so great to use on the black molds. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're interested in any of the products that I've used here today, there'll be links posted in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy holidays!